Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to insert a micro SD card at the Huawei P Smart. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin to remove the SIM tray. This part of the box. If you put it back, open it just again like this and remove the pin. Otherwise you could use also the edge of the paper clip. Okay. If you have the phone like this, you will find the SIM tray at the side, and with the edge of the pin you enter the small hole in here, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay. In the first position you will have the SIM card, stays like this, and on the second position, if you have to do some version, you have to decide. You can have a second SIM card or you can have micro SD card. In our case, we want to add a micro SD card. Fix it well. Okay, it has to look like this. The contacts are below. Okay, and with that, you put it back into the phone, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. If you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up if you want. It's very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao!